Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Do you not get the concept?
So today we have a Savage X Fenty haul. So we have undergarments, sleepwear, loungewear, all of that. Some of it I'm gonna unbox because I didn't try on before the video, but we're gonna start with the stuff that I did try on already. Also, if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe. I hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogtober. We're literally coming to the end of it. This is like literally the last week of October. I cannot believe I made it this far. I thought I was gonna run out of ideas and stuff to do, but we're here. For reference, I am 151 pounds. I am 5'8", and I'm pretty sure all the stuff is in a size small. Let's get straight into this haul. First off, we got this sweatsuit set, and one thing I will say about Savage X is that their stuff is always tall girl friendly, which was something I was really nervous about. I thought I was either gonna have to size up, or I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't actually true to size for some reason, but they always hit every single time. Like every time I'm like, oh, maybe I should get a medium, I'm so glad I got a small. So this pants is actually in a size small. Yes, and these hit the ground literally. So when I ordered them online, I thought that this was like a bright red, like the set I'm about to show you after this, but it's actually closer to like a burgundy red if you look, and it's like nice. It gives like more of a Christmas kind of red, if that makes sense. But I really like it. The inside does have the drawstring, and I love when they put the drawstring on the inside and it's on the outside, because the set is cropped, so I don't like really the string hanging all the time. I like to have like a sleeker, clean look. The material on it is very heavy. When I looked online, for some reason I thought like the sweatpants were going to be giving like paper sweatpants, all of that. No, it's really thick. Look at this. Here's a better view too. Like, it's really thick. It's warm. Like, this is definitely going to be my airport outfit for when I go on my birthday trip. I know you guys are still waiting. I'm so excited. We're almost here. And then it does have pockets on the side. The pockets are actually very deep. Look at how long it goes. Yeah, it's very deep. Can I take it out? Not really. They have a pocket on each side. There are no pockets in the back, which is fine, doesn't really matter. And the bottom is flare. So that's the pants. Check if they have like any like tags. Oh yeah, so right here, I don't know how closely you can see it, but it says Savage X Fenty on it. So I don't mind this logo on it. It's a sweater that kind of bothers me because I'm like, why is it so big? But I didn't see any alternatives for the tops for the set being less flashy. So this is the sweater. The sweater, I thought it was going to actually be more cropped with my belly out, but it's not. Like, it hits like literally right above my belly button, which is not bad. So I don't feel like I have to wear a shirt under it. I mean, I wouldn't wear a shirt under it anyways with this look. It doesn't feel naked, okay? It doesn't feel naked. So the print, it says Savage X Fenty, and it's like a lighter red. It kind of looks close to pink. Technically, it is like shades of pink, if you know what I mean. And then it says by Rihanna, designed the city of angels, established 2018. So I didn't even realize it had like all that dating on the bottom, but it has that. There's no drawstrings on the hoodie. The hoodie is a size small, and the sleeves are actually long enough too, and then it has this little fitted end at the bottom. So yeah, they be paying close attention to details. Then for the bottom is loose. Like, it's not fitted like tight cropped. So that's good. I feel like whenever I have like flare pants, I really don't want the top to be like fitted. Like, I want it to just be baggy, if that makes sense. So that was a perfect cut for me. So this whole set, I give it a 8 out of 10. If the logo wasn't so big on it, I would have ate it right up. Also, the back of the hoodie also has the little same logo that you see on the pants, the Savage X Fenty on it. So this size small, I'm just hyped that it was tall girl friendly. That's what I'm gonna say. Tall girl friendly, like, eats the hell down. We love that. I love that. You love that. We love that. We need that. The next set that we have is also in a size small. This is a short set. This is meant to be worn like as loungewear outside. I would wear this to the airport also, but then again, the planes be cold as hell, so that'd be the reason I'd be saying no. So one thing I will say about this first is that I tried it on first with like regular like nude underwears, and you could see the lining of it. So if I was gonna wear this, I would wear it with either a thong, or I would skip the underwears altogether. It is in a size small, and when I ordered it, because if you look at the crutch, it has like that V, kind of like Skims. I thought that the inside of it was lined. I didn't know that it wasn't lined. Like, it's not see-through, if that makes sense, but it's not like if you put something under it, you're not gonna see it. Like, you're definitely gonna see it. You're definitely gonna see it. So the band on it, it says Savage X Fenty all around it, and then it has this tiny little logo right here. The bottom of it is like the little lace ending of it, and the whole thing is lace. I will say the whole thing is lace. This is a very bright red, and let me show you the comparison to the sweatpants. So this is what I meant when I said I thought they were the same reds, and they're two totally different reds. Like, this gives Christmas, this gives, I don't know, but this one definitely gives more of a Christmas red compared to this, but they're both online as red. So when I ordered, I thought I got two of the same things in the same color, but they're not the same shades of red. Then for the top I did put a bra under it, because when I tried it on without the bra, like, you don't see my nipples OD, but you definitely kind of see it. So it's up to your discretion if you want to wear it or not. This is the same material as the pants, the exact same material, a red lace. And if you want to see the detailing of it, it is like, the top is like super stretchy. One thing about me when I tried this on, I was like, if I wear this, I can't ever have like no pointy nails or something like that. I have to be careful trying on, because I feel like these are one of them tops, like, if I am in a rush to put it on or something like that, I'm going to put a hole in it, and I'll be really mad if I put a hole. The arm sleeves are also the little flowery lace endings, which is really cute. It goes over your belly. I don't think I would wear it tucked in, but I like this set as a whole. Like, I feel like it's so cute. It's so comfy. It's very lightweight. It's breathable, but it's like, it's lace, but it's not enough where it's like, oh yeah, like, that girl is naked. You know what I'm saying? So I would definitely wear this as loungewear. I would definitely wear this like somewhere hot. I would wear this outside. I wouldn't just keep it for inside the house, but I think I will keep it as a set. I don't know if I would like separate the two. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would separate the two, because I really do like them together. So this set was really cute. I was really excited about getting this, and they ate with that. And again, this is in a size small. So I feel like with this, like, if you're a small medium, you could wear a small, but then again, because it stretches, I would say maybe if you are more of a medium, then get the medium, because it's like, you know, the, like, things could fit two sizes, but when it stretches, it's like more thinner, if that makes sense, when you put it on. So it's up to your discretion. I feel like these are like one of those things where you could really, again, get your real size and everything. Like, it's not one of those where it's like go down or go up, but it's still stretchy all the same, so you'll be good regardless. Next up, we got this robe. So one thing about me is I don't be going crazy over robes, but I just love the detail that they put into it. So one is a short robe. That's one thing I like. The second thing that I immediately noticed when I took it out of the bagging was this string right here. So they have a string that this part's like in the back middle, and then this one's in the front. So you have the first immediate tie. And that's like one thing I always pay attention to when it's like robes, because they don't be making robes like that anymore, where they have the like mini tie inside and then they have the big tie on the outside, because like this tie on the inside is so important for keeping the shape, keeping the figure, keeping all of that. This is in a size small, and then it has this larger tie to tie around the front, so it literally holds in place. And then another thing about it that I thought was like so cute is like it has this subtle split on the side, so it's just like it literally like meshes into your body, if that makes sense. Like, it literally like soaks in, like it fits to your curves and all that, which is really well detailed. Then it kind of has like a ribbed effect to it, but it's not like small ribbed. It's like really thick lines. It has the logo right here. It says Savage X. The sleeves could be a little longer, I'm not gonna lie. They could be a little longer, but I feel like when I tried it on, it did hit like my wrist. The sleeves are also really wide, really loose, and there's no pockets on it. I think that's the only thing, like the only downfall is that it does not have any pockets. But I just know now, like, when I'm too lazy to like lotion my skin and stuff, I'm a resort to this robe, because I did order a robe the other day and I have not taken it out of my closet since. It's like a little longer and more flimsy, and I never even bothered with it. But this one will be getting a couple of wears out of me. It's really cute, very lightweight. I like it. It's not fuzzy and stuff. Like, I know if I put it through a couple washes, it's gonna survive and stuff. And even the string on it, the strings are nice and thick. And even the hooking, like, you know, like one thing about robes you gotta throw away because the hooking be so like loose and stuff. The hooking on it is like really thick. See? They ate with that. They really ate. All right, this is the final piece I tried on, and then we could just unbox the other stuff I have. I got this bodysuit, and I don't know where I'm gonna wear it. I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. I feel like I might wear it with like some nice jeans or something like that, but it just ate down so much. Like, when I tried it on without the bodysuit, I was like the high waist on it, like look at how high this goes. Can you see? It cuts very deep. Like it's a thong in the back, and then it like cuts literally to, I don't know how to explain it. If you have like hip dips and stuff, it's perfect. Like it makes me look like a Coca-Cola bottle, which I really loved about it. Then the bra on it is literally lace. It has these underwires on both sides, and then the middle, there's not like a drawstring or anything right here, but it's like so like it's stiff, kind of. It's stiff. It's really like well structured. The bands on it are adjustable, and then the back, it's kind of like a bra, so like it hooks different latches, so I could put it as tight or as loose. I put it on the last thing. This doesn't come in bra sizes, but this is measured in small, medium, large, and I did get a size small in it. Then besides the lace pattern details on it, it has like this regular mesh on the back. I really like it, and I like that even though like cups under my boobs, it doesn't do that thing where like, you know, when it's under your arms, it makes like your armpit fat like thing over. It doesn't do that, which I really like, especially because it's like, I don't think under my arms are like that meaty, but a lot of times when I wear certain bras, if the underwire and stuff is like really fitted, it would lap over, but this does not do that. So I really like that about this. So this is a 10. One day I'll figure out what I want to wear it for, where I want to wear it, but it's gonna eat. Also, it does have like the panty lining on the bottom of it if you were wondering if you should wear a panty or not, but I don't feel like this is like one where you need the underwear. So it has a little panty part, and again, this is a thong, and when I put it on, it doesn't feel like a wedgie, if that makes sense, because you know some thongs, they just be up in your butt and it's just like get this out. No, this one is actually really comfortable. Oh yeah, and then the last thing, the little accents on it is all silver for people who care about that, because I know I be caring. But this is another thing I love. So freaking cute. So that was the things I tried on. We can just go ahead and unbox the other stuff I have. These are both sets, so let's see. Let's just do the basic one first. So I always get myself black. I always get myself a nice black. So usually I stick to more of like smoother stuff, because I don't like when I put on like a lace bra and then you could see the lace through the shirts. Like even if you have like a really loose shirt, like you see the lace through. Like the most times I wear a lace bra for real is if I have on like a sweater and I didn't wear a shirt under it. Other than that, I kind of try and stay away from the lace bras because I hate seeing the imprint in my clothes. But this is the thing. It's just like that black bodysuit I just showed you. The lacing is double mesh. Like look at this. Lace on the inside, like you see that? And then lace on the other side. It is underwired. This is a 32B. I know I told you the other day I wear 34B, but I think both of them fit me. This one has like, what? Let's see. It has 3 hooks on it for adjusting it. The bands are adjustable, but it's like a halfway adjust because there's lace on the other half in the front. Then what else? Oh, one thing about me, with a lot of their lingerie that I get, I like to pop off this tag because it's like so like, I don't know, like it just doesn't belong there. It's so flimsy. This is the lacing on it, and then I got the matching underwear for it. The underwear I got in a size small. So this is the underwear. The whole thing is lace again, and I'm pretty sure this is not a thong, even though it kind of looks like it. Is definitely not a thong. I love when they do this little butterfly kind of lacing on the bottom of it too. Like it's so cute. It has this. Is my logo? Oh, I thought my logo was broken. It's just an X. Look, the logo is an X. It has that for the lining of the underwear, and then it has like the stitch for the back, stitch for the front. It is really cute. Like that's such a cute set, a cute little set. Like look at it, it's so cute. And look, it has the X right here on the front too. The X's are loosely put though, because I think I have one bra. I mean, I had it for a couple years though, and the X fell off, but the other one I still have, so if you sewn tight enough. So this is set number 1, and then this is the final set. This is gonna be ending off the video too, honestly. And this is one that I was like, I just want something that's cutesy, because again, I told y'all Black is my go-to. Lace I try to stay away from because of the type of clothes I wear, but I don't know, I feel like this one's purple, so again, it's gonna depend what type of shirts I wear, but I feel like this one I might be able to get away with, maybe. I just thought that it was so cute. I wanted something different. So this is a orange, and then this is like a deep violet purple. It has like a higher cut on it, so it's like a V bra, but I feel like it's like, it's cute, but it's also like, I don't know how to explain it. I think it's really, really cute. The back of it, this is how it looks. It has probably what, 3 hooks again? Let's see. Yeah, it has 3 hooks again on it. On the bra part right here, it says Savage X. Like, I feel like she pays so much attention to the design of her bra. Like, it's so cute. This one is also underwire. This is a 32B as well. These are so cute. I'll probably try them on after. And then this is a matching underwear for it. This is a size small. So they said midnight purple and brown brick. That's the color. And it's a swirly girly cheeky midnight. That's the name of the underwear. So this is a matching underwear to it. I don't know, this one, I think they had like a high-waisted one to it. This kind of looks like it's high-waisted, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like it's high-waisted. This is a full underwear in a size small. So again, I told you it's true to size. This one is cotton, stretchy, high-waisted though. This is the inside. So yeah, I don't really know what's much to say about it, but it's just really cute. Cute little set. Yeah, what y'all think? What do y'all think? But that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what was your favorite piece from this haul. And I'm just happy that everything was tall girl friendly as usual. Y'all know that's what I be focused on. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober. So y'all stay tuned. By then, this here should be out. And we should be on a trip, hopefully, or close enough to a trip. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye, love you.